Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'll be teaching you how to get rid of hiccups. And although hiccups typically resolve on their own, people may try a very variety of ways to get rid of hiccups fast. So these include breathing techniques, gargling, or just sipping some water. Let me know in the comment section which one of you sip water when you have a hiccup. Just tell me in the comment section. All right, so let's get right into this topic. So, the first fact on hiccups is eating or drinking too quickly often cause hiccups. Because I know sometimes you know you're watching a movie and you just want to just eat fast, like you eat a popcorn fast, or you maybe have some food and you just want to eat. You understand? So they usually resolve on their own with no medical intervention. Also, hiccups affect everyone from babies to older adults because I had hiccups before. And yeah, I drink, I drink, let's say I must drink like 3 sips of water, like, old people saying. And it works for me. Or sometimes I just literally drink water because it helps, right? So, how to get rid of hiccups now is to hold in your breath for 10 seconds or slowly drink or sip cold water or breathing into a bag, like a paper bag. Next one is to biting a slice of lemon. Oh my god, lemon sour. Anyways, next one is tasting a drop of vinegar. Oh my god, I don't know about the vinegar because yeah, it's just like lemon is sour and uh vinegar not better. Well, I drink water for me. Next one is swallowing a granulated sugar or sitting with knees against chest and leaning forward. Next one is to gently pull on tongue. These are so weird. I literally never knew about these guys. I knew about the water and it has been working for me for years. And I had hiccups from I'm younger now, so and it has been working for me. So in the vast majority of cases, hiccups goes away on their own within a few minutes. Treating an underlying condition that cause hiccups may help reduce their frequency because it doesn't happen a lot. It's not a thing that happens a lot. It might happen like maybe twice a year or yeah, or sometime once. Yes, so breathing and posture regarding of where they are when hiccups begin. People can try holding their breath for 10 seconds and those things. And take time and eat. You don't have to eat so fast. Which is, I don't know what caused my hiccups. Like, yeah, I do. I do. Maybe when I'm drinking, for example, a soda or so, it might happen for me. But for eating, I'm not sure about eating. Never eat and then have hiccups. I don't remember. But if I do, I will put it in the comment section one day. I will definitely come back to this video and put it in the comment section if I have a hiccup anytime, you know, down the line. All right, guys. Thank you so much. But in case, guys, you have a hiccup that, you know, you have it straight through. I never seen it happen before, but For example, you have a hiccup straight through for 1 day, 2 days, because as I said, it only lasts for 10 seconds. Like 10 seconds, I don't think it lasts over 10 seconds, right? So if you see it prolonged to 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, seek medical attention because it can be something else that's affecting that because of you not doing something right or something. Yeah. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. You know your girl love you all day, every single day, guys. So gonna have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. Bye, guys. And remember to drink a lot of water and take time and eat your food and take time and drink your juice. Bye, guys.